going to jump right into this booster video today. I want you to pull out your Learn to Play Piano book and go ahead and turn with me first to page 51. So what we'll do, we're giving you some clues as to where your fingers go on these songs. That way when you get to them, you're ready to play. So 51, you'll see that our first note is E edge. We are going to play that with our right hand 3 finger. So go ahead and put R3 next to E edge. Then down below that, right under it, you'll see a green guitar. This guitar, you're going to play with your left hand 1 finger. So write L1 next to that green guitar. And here's what it looks like, our starting position. If our E edge is R3, here's my middle C, and then coming up from middle C is the edge of the mountain. Okay, so my R3 is here. Now, guitar is below middle C, B, A, G, and my 1 finger of my left hand is going to play this guitar. Okay, so our song looks like this. Okay, so here's my starting position. So it's a little strange, but now that we have it marked, it's going to be easier as you start into the next videos. Go ahead now and turn to page 55. Let's put our starting hands and fingers here. Canon in D is going to be up here. We're practicing up here with egg and fire and all of these notes, dragon. So on egg, dragon's egg, so here's middle C. We're going up the keyboard. We're going to hit dragon's egg here. And that first dragon's egg is with R5, right hand 5 finger. So go ahead and write that next to it. And as you see, we start coming down, egg, dragon, cloud, beach, axe, and then I kind of run out of fingers. So next to this first goblin, you'll write L1. And I want you to actually go ahead and circle this goblin, okay? And then it goes back up, and we have 2 notes together. You're gonna learn this. It means that you play them together. And then we have to play some of our right and our left hands together at the same time. So we're going to actually circle a few of these notes that are with our left hand. So just follow me here on the video. You're going to circle this goblin. That means he's also your left hand. We're just going to circle everything that's with your left hand. Go ahead and circle his furry body. Then you'll circle both goblin and edge, and just his furry body, and then circle goblin. These circles will indicate your left hand. So even though we're here in the treble clef, we're going to be playing these notes with our left hand still. So it's a little bit different than what you're usually gonna see, but we're just practicing our notes up here. We're focusing on half notes, and so that'll give you just a little help. Go ahead now and turn to page 57. Let's write in our starting notes here. So you'll notice now I'm not up here high in the mountains. I'm gonna be down here in the water. I have my chest, my fish's eggs, my guitar, okay? We're down here in the water. So even though we're down here in the water, I'm still going to be using my right hand, okay? We're practicing just kind of where the notes are and quarter notes. So I'm going to put on my first chest R1. So it's going to start here with my right hand. And then where you see B boat, the first B boat, you're going to write left 1 and circle it. There's only 4 notes with your left hand in this song, so you're going to circle B, B, G, okay? And then it's back to my right hand. And then when I see that next boat, I'm going to circle it again. Okay, so those 4 notes are my left hand. All right, we have one more song to do in this booster video just to make sure we know where we're starting. So go ahead and turn to page 59. we'll do Skater's Waltz. This one, you'll notice we're back up here higher in the mountain area, not down in the water. So I have E edge, and E edge is my first note. I'm going to play it with my left hand 2 fingers. So put L2 next to E edge. And then my next note is Goblin, and that's going to be right hand 1. Now, when you put your fingers on here, you want to make sure that each of your fingers is kind of assigned to a key, okay? And they kind of stay on these same keys. And if you're having trouble reaching, you need to curl your fingers up to get to those keys, okay? So this one's not too bad. Okay, so you do have quite a bit of your left hand in there, but you'll be all right. Okay, that's it for this booster video. It just gives you a little bit of a heads up on what's coming and how to find it on your keyboard.